A highly requested feature was recently added to Microsoft Forms, and in this video, I'm going to tell you what that feature is, and I'm going to show you how it works. Let's go ahead and let's check it out. All right, now with the new Microsoft Forms data sync to Excel feature, you can now create a live connection between a Microsoft Forms survey and an Excel workbook so that you can automatically fetch new responses. Now, to use this feature, you want to navigate to the form that you would like to export your data for, and you want to click on the Responses tab. And you can see here right at the top of the page, you have this message that reads Sync results to Excel for the web automatically. And you can see here the button that says Open Results in Excel Preview. Now, I'll go ahead and click on this button. You can see here that it is prompting you that it is creating a copy of this file in your Microsoft OneDrive. And you can see here that the file opened, and you can see that message that reads synced with Forms. This workbook syncs automatically. Now you can see here that I've brought up Microsoft Forms and Excel on the web side by side. Now I'll go ahead and submit this form, and you can see here that as soon as the form was submitted, the Excel workbook updated to include the details coming from that response, and you also saw that message that said synced with Forms. Now what's really cool about this feature is that you can also manipulate the actual spreadsheet data. So if you happen to insert a new column and a response is submitted, you can see that the responses will still be synced in your Excel workbook. Now, another way that this feature really helps is if you want to develop your own custom charts and reports using your MS Forms data. Now you can see here, I've created a simple pie chart for one of the questions. Now I'll go ahead and submit another response. And if I come over into the data tab and I click refresh all, you can see here that you can seamlessly update reports that you create in Excel to include new responses that have been submitted. Now, a couple of important notes with this feature. First and foremost, when you generate that file, it is going to be stored in Microsoft OneDrive. You can see here on the screen the file called Training Session Feedback Survey, and it is stored at the top level of all of your OneDrive folders. Now, the next important thing to note is that if you come back into your actual form responses tab and you click on the dropdown to the right of the Excel file name, you can see here that you have the option to disconnect the sync with that existing workbook. And if you click this option, what it will do is it will actually create a secondary file with that sync established. Now I'll go ahead and click OK. And you can see here that it is now going to create another file with that data sync. Now, a really important note, as per the Microsoft documentation at the time of recording this video, this feature is only supposed to be available when using Microsoft Excel for the web. However, based on my testing, when you open the file that is generated with the MS Forms sync in the Excel desktop app, as you can see on the screen, new form responses do actually show up in the workbook. Now, it's possible that Microsoft has started incrementally rolling this capability out, but it is important to note that as per the documentation, the feature is only available on Excel on the web. So that's it. In this video, I showed you how you can sync Microsoft Form responses to an Excel workbook live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please smash that like button. Please share the video. And most importantly, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my new tutorials. I'm Louis Yacobelis. See you in the next video.